In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Binance account step by step. Account verification is a very important process on Binance because it unlocks higher withdrawal limits, access to more features, and ensures your account stays compliant with local regulations. The exact verification steps can vary slightly depending on your country or region, but I'll show you where to go and what to expect so you're fully prepared. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Binance app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the hamburger menu in the top left corner. This opens the main navigation menu with all your account options. From here, tap on your profile. This takes you to your account overview, where Binance shows your personal details and security settings. Next, tap on verification. This is where Binance manages identity verification and compliance checks. Once you enter the verification section, Binance will show you the verification methods available for your region. These can include identity verification using a government-issued ID, facial verification, or additional document checks depending on local regulations. Binance will clearly guide you through the process with on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to select your country, upload the required documents, and complete any necessary identity checks. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully and upload clear, accurate information. Using the correct documents and good lighting for verification can help avoid delays. After submitting your information, Binance will review your verification request. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on demand and your region. Once approved, your account will be fully verified and you'll have access to higher limits and more Binance features. And that's it. That's how you verify your Binance account. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.